Hello friends. Welcome to Kitchen and Home Review, your ultimate destination for the coolest and smartest Amazon kitchen gadgets. These tools aren't just affordable. They'll make your cooking faster, easier, and a lot more fun. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us, which gadget caught your eye today? Stay tuned, because we're just getting started. Let's dive right into the best kitchen finds. So friends, let's start the video. Titanium Cutting Board. 2-in-1 Cutting Board is a versatile 2-in-1 kitchen tool, with one side made of food-grade 99.9% pure titanium for cutting raw and cooked meat, and the other side made of wheat straw PP material for cutting vegetables and fruit. High-quality titanium cutting board completely improves the shortcomings of traditional cutting boards. Traditional cutting boards are prone to cutting gaps, leaving food residues at the gaps and absorbing odors and other minor problems. Easy to clean. The material on both sides is not sticky. You can rinse with water to keep it clean. Please clean the cutting board in time after cutting meat or vegetables and hang it to dry. There is a portable round on the cutting board for easy car. Mixing bowls. Upgrade your kitchen with the ultimate all-in-one mixing bowl set. This 26-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set with airtight lids has everything you need for mixing, prepping, grating, and serving, all in one stylish khaki design. You'll get 6 different bowl sizes: 7, 4, 2.5, 2.0, 1.5, and 1 quart, perfect for everything from tossing salads to whipping batter. Each bowl comes with a tight seal lid to keep your food fresh, plus grater attachments that make slicing and prepping effortless. The non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls steady while you mix, and the stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Whether you're baking, meal prepping, or serving guests, this mixing bowl set brings convenience, organization, and style to every cooking experience. Olive oil sprayer. Looking for a smarter way to use oil in your kitchen? Meet the TrendPlane 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer, your new 2-in-1 kitchen essential. This sleek and durable sprayer lets you easily control how much oil you use, whether you're cooking in the air fryer, grilling barbecue, or dressing up a salad. Made from premium glass with a modern black finish, it's stylish, eco-friendly, and built to last. The fine mist design gives you perfect coverage every time, no more mess or waste. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, or even soy sauce, this TrendPlane sprayer brings precision and flavor to every meal. Upgrade your cooking today with the TrendPlane 2-in-1 olive oil sprayer, the perfect addition to any modern kitchen. Rotary Food Mill. Premium stainless steel craftsmanship. Built to last, our food mill is made from heavy-duty stainless steel that resists rust, warping, and wear, even when working with hot foods like stewed tomatoes or boiled apples. It's not only a food mill, but can double as a colander or steamer for added versatility in your kitchen. Effortless turning with ergonomic handle. Say goodbye to sore arms. Our ergonomic rotary handle with a spring-loaded lever delivers smooth, low-resistance turning, making food prep quicker and easier for everything from silky mashed potatoes to homemade applesauce. Stable, secure on bowls and pots. Thoughtfully designed side hooks, ears, rest securely on a wide range of bowls and pots, keeping the mill steady while you work. Each hook is double welded for added stability, so you can mill with confidence and control. Stainless steel cookware. Premium stainless steel construction. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, our pots and pans set ensures long-lasting durability for consistent cooking performance over time. Stylish and practical. Includes 8 and 10-inch fry pans, 3.5 quart covered sauté pan, 1.5 and 3 quart covered saucepans, 7 quart covered Dutch oven, and a stainless steel steamer, making it the perfect set for your kitchen. Even heating. This pots and pans cookware set prevents hot spots and ensures consistent, reliable cooking results every time. Ultimate comfort and control. Featuring riveted stainless steel handles that provide a secure grip, vented glass lids, measuring marks, and pouring spouts save time and effort during cooking. Versatile cookware. Dishwasher and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all cooktops, including induction, making meal preparation a more enjoyable experience. Limited lifetime warranty. Precision cooker. Anchor Chef Immersion Circulator features dust and water-resistant components and includes a minimum and maximum water level protection system, making it ideal for extended cooking times. It boasts a durable 1400W heater and a 25-liter per minute water flow. Designed for long-lasting performance with its robust metal construction and stainless steel body. Elevating precision cooking, the elegant touch display allows for easy adjustment of time and temperature settings. From vacuum sealing to freezing, sous vide cooking, blast chilling, and smoke infusing, Anchor Chef Circulator is your ultimate kitchen partner for preserving seasonal produce or creating restaurant-quality meals at home. Anchor Chef Sous Vide's dimensions are 12-inch tall and 5.5 diameter, weighs 4.4 pounds. Stainless steel whisk set. High-quality material, made of high-quality durable stainless steel and highly polished processing methods, no worries of rust. You can use the whisk set for a long time. Multiple sizes. This egg beater has 3 sizes for you to choose from, which are 12 inches, 10 inches, and 8 inches. You can choose the right size egg beater according to the size of the bowl. Multi-purpose. This kitchen whisk is ergonomically designed, lightweight, and does not take up space. It is suitable for various cooking places, such as making cakes, whipping cream, stirring batter, and baking pastries, etc., making us more interested in cooking. Easy to clean and store. The handle is rust-resistant and non-stick, making it easy to clean. The handle has a hole design, which can be easily hung on any hook in the kitchen for easy storage, a must-have for home cooks and restaurant chefs. Mini Maker. More than pancakes. Make individual servings for eggs, cookies, pancakes, grilled cheese without the need for multiple pots/pans. Compact plus lightweight. Weighing 1 lb plus. This is a must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper/RV traveling. Cord length, 31 inches. Quick plus easy. Simply plug it in and wait for indicator light to turn off. It heats up in mere minutes. The dual non-stick surfaces provide an even cook for consistent results each and every time. Perfect gift. The perfect wedding or new home gift. Its small size takes up little counter space, and its sleek design and trendy color options will match any kitchen decor. Add to your registry now. Includes the 350-watt mini griddle maker, includes recipe book and recipe database access. Smart food warming tray. Hosts like a pro. Our advanced heat circulation eliminates cold spots, ensuring every bite stays warm. Whether it's grandma's casserole at Thanksgiving or tapas for your international potluck. No more frantic reheating, just relaxed hosting. Set it, forget it. Precision temperature, 104 to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 to 12-hour timer let you focus on guests, not gadgets. Child lock ensures toddlers can't mess up your settings. Perfect for chaotic family gatherings. Gentle on countertops, tough on cold meals. Raised base pillars prevent surface damage while heating 30% faster. Safely warm ceramic dishes, metal trays, or holiday platters. No more lukewarm mashed potatoes. Multi-sided meat tenderizer. Texturized surface. One of the side surface is textured for optimum use on a variety of meats. Smooth side included. The opposite side of the meat tenderizer is smooth for pounding and flattening for cutlets. Aluminum construction. Aluminum construction provides a lightweight, strong, and durable tool for the kitchen. Multiple storage options. There is a hole in the ergonomic handle that gives you the option for convenient hanging storage. Easy care. Hand wash with warm water and a mild detergent. Rinse and dry immediately.